Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this phrase?" Bucket list. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard of a bucket list? It's a list of things you want to do before you kick the bucket. I know, it sounds morbid, but it's not about dying. The term comes from the phrase kick the bucket, which means to die. So, a bucket list is a list of things you want to do before you die. Now that you know what a bucket list is, let's dive deeper. A bucket list is a list of experiences or achievements that a person wants to have in their lifetime. It's a way to prioritize and achieve your dreams and goals. To remember the meaning easily, think of a bucket as a container that holds your dreams and goals. You want to fill the bucket with as many experiences and achievements as possible before you kick the bucket. Here are some fun facts about the bucket list. It was popularized by the 2007 movie The Bucket List. The term was added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2006. And the most popular item on people's bucket list is to travel. Let's see some examples of how to use bucket list in a sentence. 1. Skydiving is on my bucket list. 2. I'm trying to cross off everything on my bucket list before I turn 30. 3. What's on your bucket list? Now, it's time to test your knowledge with a quiz. Which of the following is a bucket list item? A. Grocery shopping. B. Skydiving. C. Cleaning the house. Choose your answer now. To summarize, a bucket list is a list of experiences or achievements that a person wants to have in their lifetime. It's a way to prioritize and achieve your dreams and goals. Now that you know the meaning, start making your bucket list today.